Here the problem is in an AP given an equal to 4, d equal to 2, sn equal to minus 14, find n and a. So here given the nth term an is equal to 4. So nth term an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, the general form. So here d value we know, that is 2 given. So the d value substituting here, a plus n minus 1 into 2 is equal to 4. Now n minus 1 is multiplied with 2, that is nothing but n into 2, 2n minus 1 into 2 is 2 equal to 4. Now this plus 2n minus 2 transfers to RHS, that is minus 2n plus 2. So a equal to 4 plus 2 minus 2n. So 4 plus 2 is 6. So a equal to 6 minus 2n. So the first term a equal to 6 minus 2n. Now sum of n terms sn equal to minus 14 given. So sn is equal to minus 14. Sum of the n terms of this arithmetic progression is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to minus 40. Now here a equal to we substituting 6 minus 2n and d value is given as 2. So that will be substituted means n by 2 into 2 into a, that means 6 minus 2n plus n minus 1 into the d value is 2 is equal to minus 40. Now 2 is multiplied with, now here if we observe here 2 common, here 2 common there, so the 2 will be taking outside. So n by 2 into 6 minus 2n plus n minus 1 is equal to minus 14. Now 2 gets cancelled. So n into 6 minus 1 5 minus 2n plus n, that is nothing but minus n is equal to minus 14. Now n is multiplied with 5 minus n, n into 5 is 5n, n into minus n is minus n square is equal to minus 14. Now this minus n square plus 5n transfers to RHS, that is nothing but plus n square minus 5n. So plus n square minus 5n minus 14 is equal to 0. Now n square coefficient is 1 and the constant term is minus 14. So here this information is in the form of quadratic equation. So we finding the n value through factorization method. So that purpose n square coefficient is 1 and the constant term is minus 14. So 1 into minus 14 is nothing but minus 14 and the n coefficient is minus 5. So by product of any two numbers we want to get minus 14, by that numbers addition we want to get minus 5. That means the numbers are minus 7 and 2. Minus 7 2, so minus 14 minus 7 plus 2 is equal to minus 5. So now in the place of minus 5n we can write minus 7n plus 2n. So n square minus 7n plus 2n minus 14 is equal to 0. Now n square means we can write n into n. 7n means 7 into n we can write. So now n square minus 7n can be written as n into n minus 7 plus 2n means we can write 2 into n. 14 means 2 sevens. So now in this both 2 taking as common. So that means n plus into minus minus 2 sevens 14 equal to 0. Now in this both n minus 7 is the common factor. So that n minus 7 common taken, then here remained one n and here remained 1 plus 2. So n minus 7 into n plus 2 equal to 0. That means either n minus 7 equal to 0, otherwise n plus 2 equal to 0. If n plus 2 equal to 0, then n equal to plus 2 transfers to RHS, that is minus 2. 0 minus 2 is minus 2. And if n minus 7 equal to 0, then minus 7 transfers to that side plus 7. So 0 plus 7 equal to 7. Now here n is a term. The term value is a positive whole number. So n value is 7 only, not minus 2. Now n value we find. Next we want to find a value. So a is equal to, our 2 came here 6 minus 2n. So 6 minus 2n, that equal to 6 minus 2 into n equal to 7. So 2 7s 14. 6 minus 14, that is nothing but minus 8. So the first term of this AP is minus 8. Given the next problem, in an AP given L equal to 28, S equal to 144 and there are total 9 terms, find A. So here given the last term L equal to 28 and S. So S equal to 144, that means sum of the terms is equal to 144 given, and here total 9 terms they are given, that means it is nothing but n equal to 9. That means S means it is nothing but S9. Sum of 9 terms is 144 given. Our to ask to find the value of the first term. So here first term last term given means sum of the n terms Sn is equal to the principal n by 2 into a plus L. So by using that principle, now here sum of the 9 terms S9 is equal to, we can write n by 2 into, so n is here the value is 9. So 9 substituting a plus L, L is 28 is equal to, the sum is 144 given. Now multiplication 9 by 2 transfers to that side, that means RHS we have to multiply with its reciprocal. So a plus 28 is equal to 144 into 2 by 9. So 9 ones 9, 16s, 16 2s 32. So a plus 28 is equal to 32. Now this plus 28 is transfers to RHS, that is minus 28. So 32 minus 28 is equal to 4. So the first term of that given AP is 4. In the problem, if the first and the last terms of an AP are 79, 350 respectively, if the common difference is 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum? So given in an AP, in an arithmetic progression, the first term A is equal to 17 given, and the last term L is equal to 350 given, and the common difference 9 given. So the common difference D is equal to 9. So the last term can be written as AN is also. So now the general form of the nth term AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So now that last term is given as 350. Now A value is 17. So 17 plus n minus 1, n value we don't know, D value common difference is 9 is equal to 350. Now this plus 17 transfers to that side minus 17. So n minus 1 into 9 is equal to 350 minus 17. So 350 minus 17 is equal to 333. Now these multiplication and transfers to RHS, that is the division. So n minus 1 is equal to 333 by 9. So 937s 333. 33. So n minus 1 equal to 37. So minus 1 transfers to RHS, that is plus 1. So n equal to 37 plus 1, that equal to 38. So now in this arithmetic progression our to given 38 terms. Now this 38 terms sum is how much, that is asked. So the principal SN, sum of n terms is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here 38 terms we want to find. So S38 is equal to 38 by 2 into 2 into a. So the first term is 17 given plus 38 minus 1 into the common difference is 9. So 38 by 2 is equal to 19. 2 17s 34 plus 38 minus 1 equal to 37. So 37 into 9. So 37 into 9, that is, so 9 7s 63. So 9 3s 27. 27 plus 6, that is 33. So 333 plus 34, that equal to 367. So 19 into 367, that is nothing but 6973. So in this arithmetic progression sum of 38 terms is 6973. Given the problem, find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. So here in that arithmetic progression our to given second term and third term as 14 and 18. So in an arithmetic progression the general term an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So by using that one we writing, so given in an AP arithmetic progression second term A2 is equal to 14. So A2 is nothing but a plus d, that equal to 14 given. Now the third term A3 is given as 18. So A3 is equal to a plus 2d, that is 18 given. Now if we subtract the first equation from the second equation, then we can write a plus 2d equal to 18 and a plus d equal to 14. Now by subtracting we have to change the symbols. So plus 14 is minus 14, plus d is minus d and plus a is minus a. A minus a gets cancelled, 2d minus d equal to d and 18 minus 14 is equal to 4. So the common difference of that series arithmetic progression is 4. Now the d value is substituting in that first equation. Now we get the a value. So the first equation is given as a plus d is equal to 14. Now d value 4 is substituted, then a plus 4 equal to 14. Now this plus 4 is transfers to RHS, that is a equal to 14 minus 4. 14 minus 4 is 10. So the first term of the series A is equal to 10. Now our to find sum of the first 51 terms. So n equal to 51. So sum of the n terms Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is the principle. So here our to ask the sum of first 51 terms. So S51 is equal to 51 by 2 into a. So a equal to 10 plus n minus 1, 51 minus 1 into d equal to 4. So that equal to 51 by 2 into 2 tens 20 plus 51 minus 1, 50 into 4. So 54, so 200. So 51 by 2 into 20 plus 200. So 200 plus 20 is equal to 220. So 51 by 2 into 220. So 2 ones 2 110s. So 51 into 110. So that is nothing but 5610. So the sum of the 51 terms in that given arithmetic progression is 5610. Given problem, if the sum of the first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 terms is 289, find the sum of first n terms. So in that arithmetic progression, first 7 terms to adding we get 49 and the first 17 terms adding we get 289. Then what is the sum of first n terms asked? That means here we have to know about the first term and common difference. Why? Because Sn, sum of the n terms, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. In that the a value and d value we have to know. So that purpose the given information writing in the arithmetic progression given sum of first 7 terms is equal to 49 given. So the general form for that sum of the first n terms is equal to Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So by that now here sum of S7 terms asked. So S7 is equal to nothing but 49. So that is 7 by 2 into 2 into a value we don't know, plus n minus 1, n value is 7 here we know and d value we don't know. So into d is equal to 49. So 7 by 2 into 2a plus 7 minus 1 into d is equal to 49. Here 7 minus 1 equal to 6d. So n by 2 into 2a plus 6d is equal to 49. Now 2a plus 6d. Now here 2a can be written as 2 into a and 6d can be written as 2 into 3d. So in this both 2 taking as common, 7 by 2 into 2 into a plus 3d is equal to 49. 2 gets cancelled. So 7 into a plus 3d is equal to 49. Now this multiplication 7 transfers to RHS, that is division. So a plus 3d is equal to 49 by 7. 49 by 7 is equal to 7. So a plus 3d is equal to 7. Now our to given the sum of first 17 terms is 289. So sum of first 17 terms S17 is equal to 289. Now in this principle again if we substitute, so that is n by 2, 17 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1, 17 minus 1 into d is equal to 289. Now yes, 17 minus 1 is equal to 16. So 17 by 2 into 2a plus 16d is equal to 289. Now 2a means it can be written as 2 into a, 16d can be written as 2 into 8d. So now in this both 2 is taking as common. So 17 by 2 into 2 into a plus 8d is equal to 289. Now 2 gets cancelled. So 17 into a plus 8d is equal to 289. Now this multiplication 17 transfers to RHS, that is the division. So a plus 8d equal to 289 by 17. So 289 by 9 by 17 is nothing but 17. So 17 17 so 289. So this will be taken as second equation. So now the first equation a plus 3d equal to 7 and the second equation a plus 8d equal to 17. Now from that first equation we subtract the second one. Now here we can write a plus 8d is equal to 17, and the first equation a plus 4d is equal to 7, a plus 3d is equal to 7. Now if we subtract, so we have to change the symbols. So the plus 7 will be minus 7, plus 3d will be minus d, minus 3d, and plus a will be minus a minus a gets cancelled. 3d, 8d minus 3d, that equal to 5d, 17 minus 7 equal to 10. So 5 into d equal to 10. So multiplication 5 transfers to RHS, that is division, that is nothing but 10 by 5. So 10 by 5 is equal to 2. Now the d value common difference is substituting in first or second equation, we get the a value. So from equation 2, our to given a plus 8d is equal to 17. So a plus 8 into d value is 2 equal to 17. 8 to 2 is 16. So a plus 16 equal to 17. Now this plus 16 transfers to RHS, that is minus 16. So 17 minus 16 is equal to 1. So the first term of the AP is 1. Now here our task to find the sum of first n terms. So first n terms Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here a value 1, d value 2 substituting. So n by 2 into 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into d value 2. So 2 ones 2. So n by 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 into 2, that is 2 into n, 2n minus 1 into 2 is 2. So now here 2 minus 2 gets cancelled, that is n by 2 into 2n. So 2 gets cancelled. So n into n is nothing but n square. So the sum of first n terms is n square. Therefore the sum of first n terms of that AP is n square. Okay. Now if here we observed the problem, the sum of first 7 terms is 49 given, the sum of first 17 terms is 289 given. So 7 square is equal to 49 and 17 square is equal to 289. So that purpose 7 terms addition is equal to n square. Simply that is the answer. Here the given problem, show that a1, a2 up to so on an up to so on form an arithmetic progression where an is defined as below. Also find the sum of first 15 terms in each case, and here given the nth term an equal to 3 plus 4n. So first 15 terms sum we have to find. So here an general form is given as 3 plus 4n. So now if we substitute in the place of n 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, we get that terms. So if we substitute n equal to 1, we get the first term. If n equal to 2, we get the second term a2. If n equal to 3, we get the third term a3 and so on. So now we substituting. So if n equal to 1, then a1 is equal to, that is nothing but a, so 3 plus 4 into 1, so 4 ones 4, so 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. If n equal to 2, then the second term a2 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 2, 4 2s 8, 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. If n equal to 3, then the third term a3 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 3. So 3 4s 12. So 3 plus 12, that is nothing but 15. So in this model we can write the series. Now in this series the common difference d is equal to a2 minus a1. that is 11 minus 7. 11 minus 7 is 4. So the common difference of that series is 4. Now here our task to find the sum of first 15 terms. So yes, here n equal to 15. So the general form of sum of n terms Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here first 15 terms sum is our task. So S15 is equal to 15 by 2 into 2 into a equal to 7 plus n minus 1, 15 minus 1 into d, that is 4. So that equal to 15 by 2 into 2 sevens, 2 sevens is 14 plus 15 minus 1, 14 into 4. So that equal to 15 by 2 into 14 fourths, 56. So 56 plus 14. So 56 plus 14 is 70. So 2 ones, 2 35, 70. So 35 into 15. So 15 5s 75 and 15 3s 42, 45. 45 plus 7, that equal to 52. So the sum of the first 15 terms of the series 7, 11, 15 and so on is 525. Even the next problem, an is equal to 9 minus 5n. In that we have to find the terms and we show it is an AP, and here we find some of the 15 terms. So same before model only, if n equal to 1 we substituting, then a1 is equal to a equal to 9 minus 5 into 1. So 5 ones 5. So 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. So the first term of this series is 4. Now if n equal to 2, then a2 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 2. So 5 2s 10. So 9 minus 10 is equal to minus 1. If n equal to 3, then a3 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 3. So 5 3s 15. So 9 minus 15 equal to minus 6. So now up to so on we can write. Now here we find the common difference, d is equal to a2 minus a1, that is 4 minus 1 minus 4, that is equal to minus 5. Otherwise a3 minus a2 doing, that means minus 6 minus of minus 1. So minus of minus 1 is nothing but plus 1. So minus 6 plus 1 is equal to minus 5. So here the common difference is same. So it forms an arithmetic progression. Now here we find the sum of 15 terms. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here sum of the 15 terms S15 is equal to 15 by 2 into 2 into a. So the first term is 4 and 15 minus 1 into common difference minus 5. So 2 4s 8. So 15 by 2 into 8 plus 15 minus 1, that equal to 14. So 14 into minus 5. So 14 into minus 5 is equal to minus 17. So 15 by 2 into 8 minus 70. So 8 minus 70 is equal to minus 62. So 15 by 2 into minus 62. So minus 62 by 2 is minus 31. So 51 into minus 31. So 15 ones 15 and 15 5s 45, that means minus 465. So sum of the 15 terms of this arithmetic progression is minus 465. 5.